Well, I thought this is gonna be cool, guys. If in 21 part, which means this part right now, to show you something cool that you can do for your website. And probably this wasn't the thing that I thought that I'm gonna do today to our project. I thought that today we're gonna probably work on making here a banner with few products and more details or stuff like that. I decided to do something better right now, because if you already have your website online FTP, you need to do some things in order to make your life more easy. So as you can see, I finally find out something really good to do for the home page. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the possibility to change the keywords or the description or even the style sheet or the title or even the logo right here. We can change only staying in the home page from the admin and changing by clicking, and no database or stuff like that. It's more easy. So you gotta open the Dreamweaver or what you use, and I'm gonna go to junk close, which is my project. Okay, now I'm gonna go to index.php because this is the page. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Now everything is okay. Okay, so I want to open inventory.php also. So I'm gonna copy the link for the form. So I'm gonna Control C, come here, right under or even top, and Control V. Okay, now I'm gonna copy the H2 tag, Control C, go right here, remove those, Control V, and I'm gonna say here home, and I'm gonna say here settings, or you can put whatever name you want, doesn't matter. So as you know, we're gonna use a table which will have a width about, and I don't know the width, and let me see, 10. I'm gonna go to that project. So I'm gonna copy this eventually. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, paste this out, close the table. I'm gonna put also form right here and copy this. Let's make our life easier. So I'm gonna Control C, come here, Control V, and instead of action to admin add product, it's gonna be index.php. Okay, and close the form right here. Now eventually I think we're gonna need something about 5 columns, right? Something like that. No, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna copy those junks right here. So I'm gonna say something like Control V 1. I'm gonna like this. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna Control V, Control V. Okay, now let's see. So the first one is gonna be site name. So you can say our site name. And the next one is gonna be logo image. And here's the best part, which if we want to change the image right here, instead of going and HTML that stuff or stuff like that, we can simply go to the admin, choose another page or stuff like that, or we're gonna add a couple of images, or you know, it's gonna be funny, don't worry. Okay, so here it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be select. Or you know, if you want, I think we're gonna use a form right here. No. I'm gonna go to admin right here and choose select, Control C. I'm gonna here Control V. Okay. good. So close here the theory. I make a mistake and I'm sorry for that. This happens, no matter. So I'm gonna control C again this, and I'm gonna control V here. Okay, I think I have a bad day. Control C. Now come here again. Right here. Control V. So it's gonna be something like site name. It's gonna be text input. It's gonna be text. It's gonna be 100, no more, no less. Okay. And we're gonna add here new tier. Also have here the closed tier, and this is very good. Logo image. Here should be. So I'm gonna control C this. Control C. Come here. Control V. Logo image. It's gonna be something like image logo 1, logo 2, logo 3, logo 4, and I think there are enough. 4. Okay. So here's ready. So here's site name. I'm sorry. I'm definitely sorry. Sorry. So copy this again. Control C. Control V here, and it's gonna be here site name. Sorry. It happens, whatever you want. Now that you know that the site name, the logo, we need the keywords and stuff like that. So for that, we're gonna remove those two. And we're gonna add something named text area, which is right here, by the way. I'm gonna control C, and I come here and control V1 and control V twice. The first one is gonna be keywords. Okay, so as name is gonna be keywords. So here is gonna be description. It's gonna have the same stuff like that. Okay, and we need the submit button right now. An error. So copy those two right here. Control C. Come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Control V. Action. Save. Now we'll make a refresh and see how it looks on settings. So we have to change those two. We're gonna change those two images. So we're gonna say something like main logo. I'm gonna say junk things, you can put whatever you want, doesn't matter. I'm gonna say nice logo. Christmas logo. Say or maybe I remove this. Or funny logo. It doesn't matter. You can put what name you want here. Okay, so keywords stuff like that is okay and should be okay here. We have an error right here because we don't have the error message. Okay, so you're gonna see here instead of add product, make changes. So save. So if I come here and refresh, I'm gonna see make changes. Okay, so we have here an error 55 for doesn't matter. So we can evenly go copy this error message right here, go on top here, I'm gonna add a comment right here, doesn't matter. I'm gonna control with the variable and say equals to nothing. I control C and I come here and it's no more error. Now we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4 more columns in our database name site style because I don't want to change those so I'm gonna say something like structure, and I'm gonna say add beginning of table. Okay, and I'm gonna say 4. No. Oops. Wait a second. No, so actually we're gonna create a new table. Sorry, it happens. So we're gonna keep the separate style sheet, you know. We're gonna work on this also right here. We're gonna add that, but not now. Okay. So I think I'm gonna make a new table name, site options. So we're gonna have 4. So site name, site logo, site description, the keywords, sorry. I'm gonna say something like site K and site disk. So it's gonna be text, doesn't matter. It's gonna be let me think about, it's gonna be enum. Okay, where it is? Enum. I'm gonna say something. Enum right here. So remember that we have here, and we have made those variable right here. So I'm gonna Control C, Control V, comma, Control V 2, Control V 3, comma, Control V 4. I say actually 3, 4 actually. Okay, so nothing else. So as default, as defined, is gonna be logo 1. Okay. Site name is gonna be varchar and it's gonna be 100 maximum. No more. Actually 50. It's too much. So I'm gonna come here and where it says 100, I'm gonna put 50. Save. Okay. So it's gonna be varchar text, save. We're done. Now because of this, we have to query out the data right here. So what I'm gonna say is gonna be the next thing. So here where it says input value, I'm gonna say something like, no, wait, we actually have to do something. So message error, right? Okay. Now site name, which is a variable, is gonna be equal to nothing right now. Okay, we don't know who is logo, so I'm gonna Control C. I'm gonna say something like, or actually site logo. Let's keep things simple. So again, I'm gonna Control C the name right here and put it right here again. So Control C. Keywords, I'm gonna say something like site keywords, site K, you know, and site disk. Okay, Control C, make it variable, $, Control V equals nothing. Site disk, Control C, come right here, $, Control V equals nothing. Okay. Now, with those say, we have to come right here. So we're gonna echo the value. So value is gonna be equal to, and I'm gonna put a PHP block. It's gonna be something like echo, and we have as variable site name. So eventually I'm gonna copy those. Right here, I'm gonna say option value equals Control V, and option is gonna be Control V. That's gonna be yeah. Okay. That's right. Okay, let's write that. Keywords. Actually, site logo. So put site logo, and here logo as well, because it's logo. And put this symbol right here. I forgot. Sorry. It's by default. I know. So I'm gonna control copy this again because I don't want to miss that. So here where it says text area, I'm gonna say something like this again, and I'm gonna copy the, oh, here should be K, sorry, save. I'm gonna control C this, and I'm gonna control V here. I'm gonna control C this. Here says description. No. Sorry. I'm gonna come here and control V. And copy once the description value. Paste it. And we are done. Save. Now of course if we come right here, it's gonna say nothing because we don't know our variable right now. Now is the nice part. So include underscore once, and who you think we are including. Oh yeah, we go one folder back and we go to scripts, and we're gonna go to connect.php. Where is, I want to make sure that we are in the right, so it's gonna be connected. Okay, now we are close to the database, and SQL is gonna be equal to MySQL query. Select all from site options. Oh yeah, Control C. Now we select all right here. So while double V while so while row equals to MySQL fetch array, going to take us from our SQL, then means that site name is equal to row guess who site name, and copy this 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, Control C site logo, Control V, Control V, Control C site key, Control V, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control V, save. Of course we need to do one more thing because we have here site logo. Okay, let me see. So where it says here logo, we're gonna put a little if statement. So if statement. So logo is equal to logo row. So now if let's see something like logo is equal to double to, or actually not, no, forget about that. I'm gonna Control C again, Control V, save. Again, if we come here, oh, we have an error. Oops, line 14. Connect with T right here. So save, Control V. Okay, now we still have no changes right here. So now we can change, we can add something. But before that, we must make the option to upload the data. So I'm gonna put in one row of comments right here, and I'm gonna say if is set post and the first one is going to be site name, so Control C, site name. Then we can copy out those right here. Control C, Control V. So each one is gonna be, I'm gonna copy again this. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, save. Now we connect. We are already connected to the database, so this is the good part. So I'm gonna say something like result is equal to MySQL underscore query. I'm gonna say something like update Control C, so I'm gonna say something like set Control C equal to the variable site name. Control V, set site logo to equal to variable site logo. Site key is equal to variable site key, and the last one is going to be site desk. Control C, Control V equals to variable. Okay, now everything should be okay, so save. Now let's say that I want to name my site Junk Clothes, why not? The logo image to be nice. Keywords, let's put a couple of keywords, doesn't matter. Description as well, doesn't matter. Just for test. So I'm gonna say make changes. As you can see, if I come here and refresh again the page, it's gonna echo out. I can go to inventory and come back. Oops. So you see that we have a little problem right here. I don't know. So anyway, if we have this problem right here, I still want you guys to come in the database and manually insert that, and probably it's gonna work that, and may not work because it has nothing, or I don't know, I didn't saw this before. So eventually we're gonna make it work good in the next video. So also in the next video we're gonna work here and gonna make a nice banner right here for our site. So right here, I'm gonna also add some options right here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.